So ayun nga ho, nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod Carlo Mendez TV at ito ho ang mainit-init pa ho na balita tungkol sa nakuhang defense lawyer ng dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte diyan sa Hague, Netherlands. At ito po ay dating prosecutor ng ICC at international defense lawyer na si Nicholas Kaufman. Ayan ho. Eto nga ho guys, ipaparinig ko sa inyo itong mensahe ni VP Sara tungkol sa nakuha nilang defense lawyer na dating ICC prosecutor. Ayan, na si Kaufman. Ayan ho
Defense team, yes, we already have a lead counsel and there will be meetings with, we had a meeting with him yesterday and then we will have a meeting in person when he arrives this weekend. And how many are there? Yes, is it Nicholas Kaufman? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes, the president already appointed, yes, the president already appointed Nicholas Kaufman as his lawyer.
So ito ho, paparinig ko ho kung sino itong si attorney Nicholas Kaufman. Pakinggan na natin guys.
Who is Nicholas Kaufman? As per his LinkedIn profile, Nick Kaufman is recognized on all continents as one of the leading advocates specializing in international criminal law, supranational regulatory law, and commercial arbitration. Formerly a prosecutor at the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia and at the International Criminal Court. He has represented and advised high-profile businessmen, politicians, and governments, and appears regularly before various international tribunals. His work encompasses the following disciplines: international regulatory law, EU regulatory law, international criminal law, international human rights law, international reputation management, state investor arbitration. In addition, Nick Kaufman is a recognized legal public relations specialist with an emphasis on international reputation management, litigation, and crisis public relations.
So ayun nga ho guys yan ho ang track record ni Nicholas Kaufman. So dati na rin siyang naging prosecutor diyan sa ICC and marami ho siyang hinawakang mga kaso. So abang-abang lang ho tayo at huwag tayo mawala ng pag-asa dahil ito ho ay matatagumpayan ng dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang kanyang pinagdadaanan at ng kanyang pamilya. At kung ito ay mabibigyan ng hustisya, sigurado tayong mabibigyan din ng pananagutan kung sino man ho ang namuno at perpetrator sa kung naging mali nga itong pag-aresto dito sa Pilipinas kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Ayan ho. So, keep safe and abang-abang tayo gaya nga ng sabi ni VP Sara, huwag tayo mawala ng pag-asa. Ayan. So basta abang-abang lang ho tayo at pasasaan din at magkakaroon din ho ng kaliwanagan itong pangyayari na ito kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. So since na marami naman siyang lawyer pero ang kanyang lead lawyer niya ngayon ay itong si Nicholas Kaufman na isang international lawyer at dati siyang ICC prosecutor. Ayan ho. So good luck na lang sa mga pangyayari na ito at sana mabigyan ng totoong hustisya. At kung mapapatunayan ho na may lapses sa pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Duterte, maghanda-handa na ho yung mga involved kung sino man dyan ang perpetrator. Ayan. Malalaman din naman natin yan later on kung ano talaga ang katotohanan behind all of this. Kasi nga ho, nagkakawatak-watak ho ang bansang Pilipinas, ang mga sambayan ng Pilipino dahil may ganitong pangyayari sa ating bansa. Ayan ho. So, Carlo Mendez TV is signing off. Keep safe everyone and have a blessed day to all of you guys. Bye-bye!